Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at stutter effects, how to make your vocals act like a lead or just be trippy. So here we go. This is for Cubase users mostly, but there's many plugins that you can use. I'll link them below. So let's dive in. We're going to be using this vocal.
Our world is in profound danger. Mankind must establish a set of positive values with which to secure its own survival.
Okay, so this is from, I think, the Futurephonic Elements pack. If you do want these vocals, they're quite nice. So yeah.
Our world is in profound danger.
Okay, so what I like to use most of the time is the loop mash. It's almost like a DJ plugin, but you get these little stutters.
Our world is in profound danger. I must establish a set of positive values.
So these are just timing stutter effects, and these are kind of like more of the reversing.
Our world is in danger. Reset positive value. Secure.
Okay, so you kind of get the idea. So what I like to do is I might want to make these a bit bigger. Just so they fill up more of the area. Yeah.
Our world is in profound danger. Mankind must.
Okay. So then we use the loop mash and we record some automation on top of this. So let's just use the stutter ones for now.
Our world is in profound danger. Mankind establish a set of positive values with which to secure its own. Our world is in profound danger.
So as you can see, this is the automation. I'm not sure, can you guys see the pink? What other color? Red. What's a nice color? Blue, purple, green. Okay, let's just go with green to make this pink. Okay, so these are the automations for those effects. This is the timing ones more, and this is more of the reversing effects.
Our world is.
So we can now dive into the automation and just get some. Maybe let's hear the vocal in the beginning.
Our world is in profound danger. Our world is in profound danger. Mankind establish a set of positive values with which to secure.
I like this one quite a lot. I want to use this here. So I'm just putting it on and off.
Our world is in profound danger. Set of positive values with which to secure.
So what this is, as soon as you go up a step, it's a different effect.
Our world is in profound danger. Set of positive values with which to secure survival. Secure survival. Our world is in profound danger. Set of positive.
Okay, so you kind of got the gist of that. So now that we got it stuttering and everything, we can add effects onto it. So say we're happy with the starter. Now we can add some of our reverbs. I'm just using the Valhalla. I'm gonna put it in a random space. Okay, so what I also like using is this Valhalla frequency echo. Oh yeah, it's quite nice. Then you can drop a EQ. That's cool. I like this part here. I was wondering if we can reverse this. It's like a scratch. And if you do want to hear more of the words, you just have to kill some of these effects, so you have less effects, more words saying. But I like getting it weird. Okay, so now we got the starter going, we have some reverb going, we have some frequency modulator, we have our EQ on. So that's the basics of now getting started. Now if you want to add a bit more, you can change the, where is it? Show all used. So I just want to not kill, but excuse me, I want to use the panner. So with the panner, you can have everything moving in directions and just feels more trippy, going left to right, through the middle.
Danger. Mankind must establish a set of positive values.
And then you can just bounce this down to Vox effects, put it into the track. Then we can kill this channel, save some CPU for those that need CPU. Thanks for watching, guys.